Wow. All right, I'm gonna try this here. This came fresh from the I don't know what you call it, from the owner. Here we go.
Just take a small bite to see how the texture like.
How's it going, everybody? It's Christian out here with Eat Like an Apex. I'm back here in Chinatown for our Chinatown Food Tour. So we're gonna check out this place that's called Dragon Papa. I think it's Dragon Papa, that's what they call it. Stick with me here as we begin our 4th day of this Chinatown Food Tour. And if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, help you find time to subscribe. I greatly appreciate that. And I'm gonna show you everything in this video right now. So we're here at Dragon Papa in San Francisco in the Chinatown district. We got to check out a little bit of what she's doing outside. Is it dough that she's wrapping a dough and then making it into strands, or?
Actually, yeah. You see, this thing is the molasses.
Okay.
And what we need to do over there, we need to warm up the molasses first, and then we put a hole in the middle. After that, we just keep stretch it and double, stretch it and double, until the molasses totally change the color and the shape to like this white hair.
Wow. Yeah. Wow.
Yes.
That's incredible.
So when you first take a bite, this thing's supposed to be kind of dry. It's really fluffy and powdery. It just like explodes in your mouth. But once it dissolves, it will slowly turn to chewy and peanutty.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, because we put the peanut, coconut, and sesame seeds inside.
Right.
So before you get my specialty, just make sure you're okay with nuts.
Yes.
No allergy.
Okay.
Okay.
Would you recommend for first time people coming out and trying it out?
The white color is original. This
Okay.
is the most peanutty and traditional flavor. So when you see all white color, it means all original.
Buy it and it's in this box already, huh?
Yeah, that's true. We already packaged it.
Awesome.
We also have the combo flavor with half original, half coffee. Half original, half green tea.
Okay.
I would say both the green tea and the coffee flavor will be less sugar, less sweet.
This honeydew looks like it's something that I would try because I like honeydew. As you can see there, she's getting those into like beard. This place is called Dragon Papa. I'm not sure if it's in relation to the beard, the dragon beard. But yeah, they look like beards, they look like, and he said they were molasses. I believe he said they were molasses. So we got a very special treat that the owner of Dragon Papa, he's gonna go ahead and prepare the beard candy himself. And we're gonna take a look at exactly how he does that. All right, so he has a bunch of these strands. They look like beards. It's a molasses. So the powder is that cornstarch, and he's using the molasses.
It's quite dusty when we make this candy.
Yeah, no, it looks like it. So he's just making that glass nice and clear for us to see, because it gets really, really dusty, because I'm sure they operate and do this during the day frequently.
So you see this thing is the molasses.
Yeah.
And what I'm going to do, I need to use the microwave to heat up the molasses a bit, yeah, make it more softened.
Okay,
yeah,
right.
so I can easy to cooling, yeah. Okay.
All right, so he's heating up that molasses to be prepared, and he's gonna use that molasses for the dessert.
Whoa, this is not
Oh, nice. It's like a donut.
Yeah, it just looks like a donut. So what I need to do, I just use the peanut holes in the middle.
Yeah.
Peanut hole in the middle, and then I just keep stretching it.
All right. So yeah, it looks like a donut, and now he's just stretching it, and he's gonna make it more thin.
Actually, the process is pretty similar to stretching the rice noodle.
All right.
Okay. So I just keep stretch it, make it thinner, and then make a double. Okay. And then stretch it again. During the process, I need to put the cornstarch on it to make sure the molasses won't stick together.
That's really neat. That's really cool.
Stretch it and double. Stretch it and double.
Yeah. It looks like spaghetti.
Yeah, it's kind of.
It looks like a spaghetti noodle that he's stretching there. Nice sweet spaghetti noodles. This is looking really good. Yeah, does it smell good? Yeah.
Make this thing since I was 7 years old.
So you got the art down. That's really neat. He says that his family made this this dessert in the palace for the Beijing emperor. Almost like cotton candy, kind of, but not really. Is it like cotton candy? Almost a little bit? Or in that texture?
It's a little bit similar.
Similar to cotton candy?
But the texture, I would say, is different.
Oh, I see. Oh man, yeah.
Wow. It looks almost like a curtain.
Yeah. Just seeing the process as he'd started from the beginning, it just amazes me how it came to become like, it's not even complete yet. So you can see it takes time to get this this candy done.
So after I stretch the hair, I will put the peanut, coconut, and sesame seeds in the middle and wrapping them.
Oh yeah. All right, here we go. All right, I'm gonna try this here. This came fresh from the owner. Here we go.
Catch your light.
One big snap right there. Whoa. Ah. Okay. Yeah, nice texture. It's a nice peanutty, some stick texture on it. It has that. You taste that coconut and those nuts, and that beard, that molasses. It's nice and soft, but right when I took a bite into it, this big snap that went right through the middle.
What's your name?
Oh, I'm Derrick.
Derrick. Nice
Yeah, that's,
Oh.
What's your name?
Dragon beard. Those nuts are falling, and you can see some of that dust. But I'm gonna take another bite here because it's kind of falling apart. I want to make sure it goes all in my mouth. Shauna.
Oh, Shauna got some messy beard.
Yeah. So you taste that peanut butter, you taste that molasses, you have those nuts. There's a little bit of coconut in it too. And they taste that coconut, and yeah, and that molasses that's been used with that beard. That's awesome. That's the first time I've ever tried anything like that. I think it's spectacular, very unique. You gotta try this place. You guys definitely, if you ever come to Chinatown, you have to go out to Dragon Papa here on Grant Street, I think. Check them out. Very kind, really cool.
Wow.
Yeah, you'll love it.
Here.
We're gonna order some more in a bit.
We stopped by a restaurant in Chinatown called Capital, but I'll leave that for another video next time.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you do like it, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I greatly appreciate that. This may be the end of the Chinatown Food Tour, so I just want to thank you again for watching this these series. And again, please subscribe to the channel.
Put your comments below of where you want us to eat next time.
All right, peace out. One love, late. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on post notifications for more street food videos from this channel. Thanks, bye.
Đi xin cổng chung mình ghét